Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Generative Coach. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are dive into incredible AI Pebblely. What if you could transform any product photo into a stunning professional image instantly? Yes, you heard me right, instantly. Meet AI, the game-changing tool that enhances product image in seconds. No design skill required. In this video, I'll walk through its features and show you how it can elevate your brand, and let's get started. First, let's us log in. As always, we are logged in with a Google account. Once you are in, the interface looks clean and user-friendly. Scroll down, you will find pre-generated asset provided by Pebblely. At the top right corner, you will notice the credit system. Pebblely offers 40 free images generation per month. Click on Upgrade Plan Reveal option from Basic to Pro with monthly and yearly billing cycles. And please note it down, it's a very important thing. Free account image are deleted after 90 days of inactivity. So make sure you have to log in regularly and upgrade your plan to keep your photos. Now let's explore Pebblely features. Upload new product or bulk generate. Let's start by uploading a new product. After clicking upload new product, the interface changes. You will need to upload an image. On the right, there are editing tools like zoom and background customization. For this demo, I'll upload a water bottle. You can zoom in, set a background, name the product and save it to asset. Once saved, the interface updates, showing a theme selection panel on the left. This AI provides various themes. I'll select one and hit generate. It instantly creates 4 variations of the image. You will notice our credit count dropped from 40 to 36, meaning each generation cost of credit per image. The results are quite impressive. The AI generated images are in 1:1 ratio and you can download them, edit them precisely and even add your company logo. Let's explore its advanced feature. Now let's test another image. I'll upload a sofa image and customize its background. And a great feature here is background removal. Simply click on an area you want to erase and it automatically refines the image. You can undo change at any time. Just like before, I'll save it as an asset. Choose the theme generate image. Wow! The results are truly professional and Pebblely interface is a smooth and beginner friendly, making it a fantastic tool for e-commerce marketers and content creators. That is for today's video. If you're interested in learning more AI tools of graphic design, digital marketing and business productivity, make sure to subscribe Generative Coach. If you find this video helpful, hit like button, drop a comment and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.